What to expect as a twist when you have a chicken and kebab? Just find it out. Hi everyone and welcome to the channel Ankit Food for Thought. Today we are going to make a chicken kebab recipe. Hope you will enjoy it. Ingredients for chicken kebab recipe. So here we are using chicken kebab, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon olive oil, mixed herbs, chili flakes, 1.5 tablespoon semolina, 1.5 tablespoon sabudana. Now we are going to prepare sabudana semolina spice mix. So for that we have taken 1 tablespoon of semolina. Now we are adding 2 teaspoons of sabudana in it. The sabudana we have soaked it for 6 hours. Now we are adding some mixed herbs and some chili flakes. Now we are going to coat these kebabs with egg mix and this mixture. So these are the coated kebabs. So keep it in the freezer for 5 minutes. Now in the non-stick pan we have added 2 tablespoons of olive oil for shallow frying. So finally we are presenting it with the black olives, and I have brushed it with the sweet onion sauce, and I am also using pasta sauce for good dining experience. Do you think that this is the end of the twist? No, we got one more: beetroot kebabs. Ingredients for beetroot kebab. Here we are using chicken kebabs, then semolina, crushed beetroot 1 bowl, then we are using all-purpose flour half bowl milk, olive oil, almonds, cinnamon, 1 tablespoon sugar, nachos as per your own taste. Preparation of beetroot halwa. So here we are using 1 non-stick pan, and I am going to pour 1 cup of milk and boil it. Now add crushed beetroot in it. Now cover the beetroot halwa for 5 minutes. Now we are adding almonds, cardamom and sugar in it. Now we are adding 1 teaspoon of clarified butter. Now cook for 3 minutes and keep it aside for 5 minutes to let it cool down. Now we are going to stuff the beetroot halwa in the chicken kebabs. Now we have filled the kebabs with beetroot halwa. Now we are going to make the batter. So in this we have added 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1.5 tablespoon of semolina, then 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon and a pinch of salt. The consistency of the mixture is just like this. Now we are going to dip it in the batter that we have made. Here we are using crushed nachos, batter and stuffed beetroot kebabs. We are now going to shallow fry it. Now we have coated with the nachos, crushed nachos. So after coating with the batter, we have used the crushed nachos over it. Now we are going to keep it aside for 5 minutes in the freezer, and then we are going to shallow fry it. Now we are going to shallow fry it. Now we are shallow frying the beetroot kebabs. Now beetroot kebab. In this we have filled beetroot halwa that we prepared earlier, and we have coated it with the nachos, and now we are serving it with the nachos. Now food for thought: sweet and salty, this is what life is, so enjoy every moment. Now a quick recap. So first I am going to tell you about the chicken kebab twist. So in this we have used chicken kebab, semolina, sabudana spice mix, 1 egg for the egg wash and olive oil. Now preparation: we are going to add 1.5 tablespoon of olive oil in a non-stick pan. Now take the kebab and dip it with the egg wash, and after that coat it with the semolina sabudana spice mix. Now shallow fry it and serve it with the sweet onion sauce and the sauce of your own choice. I have here used pasta sauce. Now twist to beetroot kebab. So in this, the ingredients, I have used the ingredients: chicken kebab, one bowl of crushed beetroot, sugar half bowl, milk 1 bowl, nut mix, all-purpose flour, semolina, cinnamon, salt and water. Preparation for the beetroot halwa: take a non-stick pan, pour 1 cup milk and boil it. Add crushed beetroot. Now heat it on the medium flame till it becomes semi-dry. Add sugar and mix it, and then saute it for 10 minutes. Add almonds. Now it is ready, and let it cool for 10 minutes. Preparation of the beetroot kebab: take kebab and fill it with the beetroot halwa. Now prepare a batter in which we will use 2 tablespoons all-purpose flour and 1 tablespoon semolina, and add cinnamon and salt. Now add a little bit of water, and now dip the kebabs in this batter and coat it with the crushed nachos and shallow fry it, and tasty sweet and crunchy beetroot kebabs are ready. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, share and comment. Thank you.